Imagine waking up, knowing you don't have to rush to a job you dislike. Your bills are paid, savings are growing, and you have the freedom to choose how you spend your time. That's financial freedom, and it's not a fantasy. In this video, I'll show you how anyone can achieve it step by step. What financial freedom really means. Financial freedom isn't millions in the bank. It's reaching a point where your money works for you instead of you working for money. Passive income from investments, businesses, or royalties covers your expenses, so survival doesn't depend on a paycheck. You don't need to be rich, you just need the right structure. The mindset shift. Most people think like consumers, not investors. They see money as something to spend, not something to grow. The wealthy view money as seeds, while the financially trapped see it as fruit to consume immediately. Shift your mindset to planting seeds, and you're halfway to freedom. Mastering expenses. If expenses rise as fast as income, you'll never escape the cycle. Track every dollar, then separate spending into needs, wants, and waste. Cut the waste, control the wants, and direct more money toward investments. Even shifting 20% can fast-track freedom by years. Increasing income streams. You can't save your way to financial freedom. You must grow your income. Do this through active income growth, higher-paying skills, raises, or side hustles, and passive income growth through investments, real estate, or online businesses. Combine both, and your wealth snowballs. Building assets, not liabilities. Robert Kiyosaki said it best: the rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out. Stocks, real estate, or online stores are assets. Cars, rent, or fancy gadgets are liabilities. Always ask, will this purchase bring money back? The power of compound interest. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Small, consistent investments grow massively over time. $500 a month at 8% becomes $295,000 in 20 years, and $745,000 in 30 years. Start early, let time work, and you'll achieve freedom faster. Eliminating debt. Debt kills freedom. Every dollar owed is a claim on future income. Stop taking on bad debt, then crush existing ones. Use the snowball method to pay small debts first, or the avalanche method to hit high-interest ones. Every debt paid is an instant raise. Emergency fund and protection. Freedom isn't just growth, it's protection. Life brings surprises, medical bills, repairs, job loss. Without a safety net, debt creeps back in. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in an emergency fund. It's not for shopping, it's your shield. Investing for the long term. With debt handled and savings secured, invest for the future. Use index funds, ETFs, real estate, digital businesses, or intellectual property. Don't chase quick wins or time the market. Consistency and patience are the keys. Automation and systems. Willpower fails, but systems succeed. Automate savings, bill payments, and investments, so money flows into assets before you can spend it. Adapt to what's left. This way, wealth grows silently in the background. Lifelong education. Financial freedom isn't a one-time lesson. Keep learning through books, podcasts, and mentors. But don't just learn, act. Even a small move, like opening a brokerage account, builds momentum. Freedom is a choice. Freedom isn't luck or inheritance. It's choices repeated over time. Every dollar asks, spend me now or buy your future. Most choose the present, the free choose the future. Financial freedom is a journey. Start today and you'll arrive sooner. So here's the roadmap: mindset, expenses, income, assets, compounding, debt elimination, protection, investing, automation, and education. The question is, Will you take action? If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share with someone you care about. Because financial freedom isn't just for you, it's for generations to come. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this.